Assalamu alaikum student. Welcome to Pakistan Montessori International. Hope you are enjoying your language file. The sounds are creating time by time and it is definitely developing your own skill of language. Today's presentation, the Pink series, practical number 4. The practical number 4 belongs to more word making, and that is called pink phrase strip. What are phrases actually? The combination of two words, the group of small words or the group of words is called phrase. Here on this particular pink strip, as we have told you before, the pink is the identical color for earlier, the first stage of reading. On this particular pink strip, we are having 2 to 3 words. Like the first one, a big mop, a big mop, a big mop. The second one, sit on it, sit on it, sit on it. The third one, a fat hen, a fat hen, a fat hen. The combination of words create the phrase that has a small meaning of relationship between two words, like hen is sitting on the mat to a hen can sit on mat. Instead of this bigger sentence or a statement, we are having a small phrase. Now, those pink strips have their second step, and that are pink strips of sentences. This time, the pink strip of sentences, a combination of more words. The car is red. Look at the picture and create your own sentence. Here you can see a car that is red. Then what do you want to say? The car is red. The particular noun is having information here with some description. So, the second one, the ink is in pen. Look at the picture. There is ink, there is pen. The ink is in pen. The ink is in pen. The third one, you can see the hen in the picture. The hen is a pet. The hen is a pet. So, students, this is how you can create the phrase and the sentences on early stage that helps a child a lot. After having this particular practical and exercise, you're going to create your own reading book, the booklet, or you may take help from the library book. But the choice must be most common phonetic sounds, the small phrase, the small sentence. Thank you very much.